In this video, I'll be showing you how to properly make and use fenugreek powder in 4 different ways for double hair growth. Fenugreek is one of the natural hair growth treatments that has helped me in growing out my natural hair ever since I started my natural hair journey. So if you're interested and you want to see how to make this, definitely keep on watching. So guys, here is my fenugreek powder. So most people make use of the fenugreek seeds, but I prefer the already grounded fenugreek powder. Either one you have at home is totally fine. So for the benefits of this fenugreek promotes hair growth. It is very rich in vitamin A, vitamin K and C. It is rich in folic acid, potassium, calcium, iron and protein. So all these are essential nutrients for hair, which helps promote hair growth. Fenugreek also enhances thicker hair growth and shine. The second ingredient is that I'll be incorporating into this is cloves. So cloves controls hair fall. It helps promote healthy hair growth. It also provides intense conditioning to the hair follicles and boosts blood circulation on the scalp. It also helps fight against scalp irritation. So these are the 2 ingredients that I'll be making use of for this first treatment, which is a leave-in hairspray. So the first thing I'll be doing is you want to make use of a container or a jar, and I put 2 tablespoons of fenugreek powder into that. Like I said before, if you happen to have the fenugreek seeds, it is fine. You don't need to blend it for this treatment. You can just add your fenugreek seeds, measure 2 tablespoons into it, and it's fine. Next, I added 2 tablespoons of cloves into the jar as well, and then I added just 1 glass of water to it. So I just add the water, stir it up and cover it, then leave it overnight. So I just wanted to put it out there that if you're making use of fenugreek seeds, the consistency is going to vary from the person who is making use of fenugreek powder. So it is the next day. As you can see, the liquid now is more on the slippery side, as you can see. But if you make use of fenugreek seed, it is not going to be this slippery, but it is all fine because you're still going to get the same results. So I just transferred that into a spray bottle, and this is ready for use. Like I said, this is a leave-in hairspray. You don't need to wash it out because the ingredients are not harsh on the hair. So my hair is unraveled. I'm just demonstrating how you can make use of it. So I just make sure I spray that directly onto my scalp and then work it into my strands. You can make use of this at least 4 to 5 times in a week. This does not have any particular smell. It is not offensive. If you have used fenugreek before or cloves, you will know that the smell is it is normal. They are not offensive. So you just want to spray that onto your hair. You can also spray this onto your cornrows. If you have cornrows, protective styling, you can spray that on it. Just massage it, spray it on it, and you're fine. The next hair treatment is fenugreek hair rinse. For this, you don't really need much, just the fenugreek powder or the fenugreek seeds. Either one you have is fine. So I added 2 glasses of water into the jar and then cover it up and let it sit overnight. So the next day, and this is what the fenugreek is looking like now. As you can see that the fenugreek has properly infused into the water. I sieved that and this is ready for use. So as for the question of how you can use these hair rinse, you make use of this on your wash days. This will be the last thing you make use of to rinse your hair after shampooing, conditioning. Just make use of this to rinse your hair. You don't necessarily need to wash it out. Onto the third treatment, which is the fenugreek hair mask. For this hair mask, you need to use your fenugreek powder. If you have seeds, make sure you blend them. Added 2 spoons of fenugreek powder, then I added, I think, 3 spoons of aloe vera gel. Now for this treatment, I advise you make use of aloe vera juice because I did not happen to have aloe vera juice at hand. That is why I made use of aloe vera gel. So make use of your aloe vera juice so you won't have to add water. So I added water to it to make it into a paste, but if you have aloe vera juice, you don't need to add water to it. So I added about 1 tablespoon of almond oil, that is about 8 drops, and then just stir it and this paste is ready for use. So the last treatment that I'll be showing you is fenugreek hair oil. So this hair oil, I've made it on my channel before. I just decided to include it in this video. So I added 3 tablespoons of fenugreek into a glass jar, then followed by half cup of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Then I also added about 3 to 4 drops of essential oil. Then I put that in a bowl and then I added hot water to it. So this is for the fenugreek to infuse really well into the oil. So I just let that sit for about 5 hours, and after that I just take it out and let the oil itself just sit overnight for it to properly infuse well. So guys, that is the 4 fenugreek treatment you can incorporate into your natural hair care regimen. And I also wanted to state that whichever one you choose to use, be it the fenugreek powder or the fenugreek seed, you're still going to get the same result. And I just wanted to say this: if you haven't used fenugreek before, you should know that when you put fenugreek in water or when you soak it in water, it tends to increase, like something that swallows. So it tends to increase. So whenever you're using it, especially as a hair mask, make sure you use less, because when you leave it in water for a long time, it increases yeah, so just putting that out there. So that brings me to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and if you're joining us for the very first time, consider subscribing to this channel. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you won't miss out on any of my future uploads. If you have any video requests or if you have any comments, leave them on the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.